In the world of aromatherapy, essential oils are the stars of the show. Their concentrated nature offers a wealth of benefits, but it's important to remember that improper use can also pose risks. However, fear not. By following some basic safety principles, you can safely tap into their therapeutic potential. First off, remember that essential oils are not your typical cooking oils. They are not meant for oral consumption, so keep them away from sensitive oral tissues. The same goes for the eyes. Essential oils and eyes are not the best of friends. Applying undiluted essential oils directly on the skin can sometimes lead to irritation, so it's best to avoid that, unless under specific circumstances and with carefully selected oils. Most times, it's safer to dilute essential oils appropriately and stick to the recommended quantities. And speaking of skin, some essential oils, especially those derived from spices, can cause skin sensitivity reactions. If you notice mild redness or itching, a soothing base cream or oil like sweet almond oil can be your skin's best friend. Add a cold compress to the mix and your skin will thank you later. Accidents happen, and sometimes essential oils may find their way into the eyes. If that happens, don't panic. Dilute the oil with a base oil and gently cleanse the affected area. Rinse thoroughly with cold water and seek medical assistance if the irritation persists. Lastly, remember that not all essential oils play nice with the sun. Some, like bergamot and other citrus varieties, can cause skin discoloration when exposed to sunlight, even when diluted. If you're planning on soaking up some sun, it's best to avoid applying these oils on exposed skin. There you have it. By keeping these safety guidelines in mind, you can embark on your aromatherapy journey confident that you're prioritizing your well-being.